see the guys are packing.
Just woken up. It's tough, bruh. Why they? We are on the car train.
Look at us, we bought things. Lashes.
I bought a spaletta.
You didn't buy it.
I didn't buy it. I got it. I look overwhelmed, but I'm not fine. I've been there.
Please don't go away this evening. You can see the guys are packing. They're busy repacking. They are so secret. They're using discrete frequency that not even
Brian, that was a US high speed.
I can get 2 shots from it.
female fighter pilot on the Hawk, Charlie. Fighter call sign Artemis. You're still enjoying the aircraft?
Absolutely, Brian. It's so lovely to be here with you. I mean, what is an airshow without capital sounds? Thank you to everyone for coming out today to see us and to see all the aircraft and get to know a bit of the museum aircraft as well. Today we're going to be having 3 walks to give you a little treat to the Governance Day.
Yeah, I can't wait.
Still enjoying the Hawk, you.
Oh, there's watch one, this one, yeah. Mitsa Nalia. Oh, he's waving at us, Mitsa. Oh, Bryce switching to gear 3.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, as we get set,
I got it.
fitting.
Oh my gosh. We're gonna do it again. Listen, yeah.
Today is, of course, Star Wars Day. May the fourth be with you. Romantic aircraft leaving is announced how we say.
Crampy.
They're shades.
It's like a
Can you hold this, Bobby? Can you hold this? Trying to get this candy. There's something moving. Push.
22,000-hour jet pilots. What says this thing? Because they look at you and they say, this is and the fighter pilot standing behind me says, that's not a sense.
Okay, so we are almost at the end of this vlog. So right now we're going to be going a transport, cow train, and then home, and then we're closing up the vlog. So just to give you guys a quick warning.
Family proud, we've done South Africa proud. Let's now go to
Okay, let's go. We catch up.
That double aileron roll over there really shows the agility and the roll rate of the aircraft. Agility being one of the keystone factors in what makes a fighter pilot a correctional fighter.
I lost it.
What? Gabby, block your ears. It's going to be louder.
Oh, this is exciting part. Okay. There you go. Yes.
Positioning maneuver, and then he's going to come back forward and offset.
Where is he?
That way. He's up.
Oh, there. Oh my gosh, I can't find it there. Ooh.
It's really whirly.
A knee slapper. That's like the in one. She's like, he's even got torches on.
A really bright landing light, and then if you look super closely, there's another smaller light, which was as he beams up the aircraft, you can see that dirty plume that the aircraft makes. And let me tell you, sometimes in a 2v1 fight, that's the only way you get to see the aircraft. Now we're going to roll away into a 9270.
Where is it? There you are. Wow, that was so on point. I got it on camera even. Where is he?
I do need to warn you that there's going to be huge explosion. A
Yay!
big explosion.
Finally.
You have small children with you. Please close their ears. It's going to be a very big
Close your ears.
If you have animals with you.
Focus on one spot.
Check, they even laying down. Yes, Marshall.
Like
where I am.
everyone's thinking they're going to be
What are we doing?
flashing nicely now on red anti-fall lights, and then
Hey!
sometimes it's the only way you can spot the whole. Ladies and gentlemen, Hawk formation.
Oh, this is wow! I got it on camera! I got it on camera! Oh, that police said it's like, wow, I got it! Okay, let's see. Remember the part where I said that we're going to be in the transport? So we're in it now, yeah? Obviously designated spots.
The back seat.
The back seat. So we can crack the jokes. Oh, I have such a cool shot. I'm gonna like replay like on the screen. Jimmy Steen. You know what's sad? If well, actually it was that type of taxi, né? And we were sitting at the back, we'd have to go shut left. And if because daddy's making so much noise, I can't repeat it. And if I do, one of the people, yeah, you're making noise. And then the text will just pass with you. It's absolutely awful. Or you give someone, you're like, 50 rand too, and then the gogo's like, I don't want. Now, you have to tell taxi driver, I tried to pay, they don't want. And he's gonna be like, then you should have spoken up. It's tough, bruh. Why they keep looking at the back? You see snacks, Nana? Oh, Gabby, you look nice.
Oh no, your hair does look nice. It's giving I'm a college girl. Let me fix your hair.
Yeah.
They are beautiful.
It's giving a study.
It does.
Yeah.
You can say that now.
There,
guys.
Take me home. I said put into third, we'll walk.
You guys want to see a really cool trick?
Who wants to see me drift?
Where are you going? Where are you going? Leaving us?
Yeah, because she doesn't want to get us drift.
No, it's fine.
No, it's fine. We're not hurt or anything.
Own all three of you.
Babe, pass me a
Nah.
stream, please, man.
Absolutely not.
No. I can't. I don't think anybody fed my dog.
Yeah, they're on diet.
Or pick up a phone. Phone the lady that is presently at the house. She knows how to feed them.
Oh, let's check out my makeup after like 24 hours.
Mine's probably
So, not bad. All I need to do is Alexandria. How are you feeling, Gabi? How are you feeling, Mishla?
Tired.
Gaga, how are you feeling, my bro? How are you feeling? I'm just joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. Off the bus onto the train. So we are waiting once again at the train station. What's up with us waiting at the train station anyway? Gaby's here. Where is she? Stop running away. She got burnt on her scalp. Can you believe that? Like look how pink she is. In this day and age. And then you got Bethany, who looks like she's actually fighting. Oh my.
Party demons I am, bro.
Yo, my god.
Yeah, just one.
For me, on the other hand, I combed out my hair because my cap is killing me, and I don't look terrible. My makeup looks very, very sweaty. I don't have any taller people to tap it down, so we're just gonna move. We're just gonna move it. And don't go on the yellow thing. I can't see from here, bro. So we're also hoping that we get onto the right train, because there's Hatfield and then there's Hatfield Park. Yeah, because stranger danger. Let's go. Get out the way, please. Oh, sorry, Gaby. We are on the Gau train. Who is up next is car, Midrand and the car. Yeah, so we can do it. We're almost there. And then home. 2 more destinations and we're done. So hold on. In Alex now. Yay! Alex. Alexandria.
Please refrain from texting and talking on mobile phones while using escalators and stairs to prevent.
Oh, what, I was supposed to give out our ticket.
Thank you.
No, they're ours.
Oh.
They're paying the parking ticket.
Oh, yeah, because we parked. Okay, let me put my phone away. It's Alexandria here. It's not safe. I'm joking. That's what this place looks like at night. Lighting's absolutely not bad.
Oh, it's my
Look how keep driving. See? The Musketeers. The car, by the way. Yeah.
Hang on, that's Roxy.
Alexandria.
So what, is the date at the bottom here when it expires?
Yeah.
So we better take trains often, guys.
You got
We have 3 years of points.
3 years, and you got to use it at least once a year.
Okay, so
Has everybody got their phones? Because there's a phone in here.
I got mine. That's Roxy. Okay, we're gonna go say goodbye now. Car.
When you register your class, take your family, make it look cash.
Yeah, thanks. Got that this morning.